Friends, good morning friends. Now I will explain location of the roots of quadratic equation, second class. The quadratic equation of ax square plus bx plus c form, a not equal to 0, b, c belongs to R. Alpha, beta are the roots, k1, k2 are real numbers. The first case, three cases arise here. First case, when both the roots are lies between k1 and k2. When both the roots are lies between alpha, beta lies between k1 and k2. This is the first case. The second case, when exactly one root of f of x lies between k1 and k2. One root is lies between k1 and k2 and less than beta. This is the second case. The third case is when k1, k2 lies between the roots. k1, k2 lies between the roots. This is the third case. So, one by one I explain the cases. Here the first case, when both the roots are lies between k1 and k2. Both the roots are lies between k1 and k2. Means this. Here upward parabola and downward parabola. See the location. Alpha, beta be the two distinct roots, and here k1 and k2. Before alpha k1 and after beta k2. Okay, so then here this k1 touches the parabola at positive direction and k2 also touches at positive, and here k1 touches at downward means negative and k2 touches the parabola at a down position. Here this upward parabola means a greater than 0. Here the parabola touches the x-axis at a two distinct position. In between alpha, beta, any real number ma? No. So that's why here this is a delta greater than or equal to 0. And this is a downward parabola means a less than 0, and there also a delta is greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. And here a into f of k1. F of k1, check once. A is greater than 0 and f of k1 touches the parabola at a positive direction. Now this is a positive and into positive. Positive into positive is always greater than 0. And a into f of k2. A into f of k2, a positive, f of k2 also positive means greater than 0. So then these two, there you take f of k1 into f of k2, product of f of k1 into f of k2. K1 touches the parabola at positive and K2 also touches the parabola at positive direction only, means here this product also greater than 0. And what about here? And here a into f of k1. A is less than 0, k1 means this point touches the parabola at downward region, no? Minus into minus is greater than 0. A into f of k2. A into f of k2 also same. A less than 0, f of k2. On the point k2 touches the parabola at a downward position only, no? So means negative into negative is always greater than 0. And then see the product. Product means f of k1 into f of k2. F of k1 negative, f of k2 negative. Negative into negative greater than 0 only. Okay, this is the first case. Now the second case is when exactly one root of f of x lies between k1 and k2. One root is lies between k1 and k2. Then this case is here upward parabola, downward, alpha, beta, one root is k1 and after k2 and alpha, beta, k1, here k2. Then here this is a greater than 0 and downward parabola a less than 0, and after delta is greater than 0. Here there also same, delta greater than 0. Then after a into f of k1, check once. A is greater than 0, f of k1 means this k1 point touches the parabola at positive direction, positive into positive greater than 0 only. A into f of k2, so this k2 touches the parabola in downward region. A into f of k2, a is greater than 0 and f of k2 is downward. The parabola touches, k2 point touches at down position, no? Positive into negative means negative only. And then a into f of k1, k1 touches the parabola at downward position. So a greater than 0, a less than 0, k1 also less than 0, negative, no? So less than into less than, greater than 0. Then a into f of k2. a into a less than 0, k2 means this point touches the parabola at positive direction, that is a positive, and this is a negative. Positive into negative is less than 0. And here, once you observe these two positions, f of k1 into f of k2 condition. Here in this, f of k1 is plus, f of k2 is minus. Plus into minus. Minus only means less than 0. And there once you check, f of k1 minus negative, f of k2 plus. Minus into plus, there also less than 0. Okay, f of k1 into f of k2 is less than 0. This is the second. Now in the third case, when k1, k2 lies between the roots, means k1, k2 lies between the roots, alpha less than k1 less than k2 less than beta. Then here, upward parabola, downward parabola, alpha, beta. Okay, k1, k2 in between the roots only, no? k1, k2. Here, alpha, beta, k1, k2. Then here upward parabola means a greater than 0. Here this is a less than 0. Discriminant is greater than 0. Why? Because alpha, beta are two distinct positions. The parabola touches at two distinct positions. No, means delta greater than 0 only. Then a into f of k1. Here a into f of k1. A positive. F of k1 downward direction. No, the parabola k2, k1 point touches the parabola to down position. So that's why minus. Plus into minus. Here a greater than plus and f of k1 minus. Plus into minus less than 0. Like that, a f of k2, that one also same, a greater than 0, f of k2 less than 0, positive into negative less than 0. And here a into f of k1, a is less than 0, f of k1, the k1 position touches the parabola at positive direction, means plus and into minus, a less than 0 minus, and this is plus, minus into plus, minus only, means less than 0. A into f of k2, a is less than 0, f of k2 point touches the parabola at positive direction, means f of k2 is plus, a is minus, plus into minus, minus means less than 0. Then product of these two once you observe, f of k1 into f of k2. Here f of k1 means negative, f of k2 also negative. So these 2 points touches the parabola at a downward position only, no? So minus into minus plus, that is greater than 0. Here also same, f of k1 into f of k2. These 2 points, these two real numbers touches the parabola at upward direction, means positive into positive, positive only. Means f of k1 into f of k2 is greater than 0. This is the third case. Related this concept, one summa. If the roots of x square minus 2mx plus m square minus 1 equal to 0 lies between minus 2 and 4. The roots lies between this, means minus 2 less than alpha less than beta less than 4. This is the given condition. No? So then here first you observe this graph, alpha, beta, and the given numbers, real numbers are minus 2 comma 4. So this point touches the parabola at upward, and here also this upward. And first what is the condition? A greater than 0, delta is greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because in between no real number, no, delta greater than or equal to 0. And after a into f of minus 2, a into f of minus, a greater than f of minus 2, so both are greater than 0 only. A into 4, f of 4, that one also greater than 0 only. So a greater than 0. Then one more point here, this is nothing but vertex. Vertex means minus b by 2a of 4ac minus b square by 4a. In the first class I explained this one. Okay, this is a vertex. And this vertex means this point, x point lies between minus 2 comma minus 4. No, means next point minus 2 less than minus b by 2a less than 4. So all these conditions you check, then you select the range of this question. So then first delta greater than or equal to 0. Then what about delta? Means b square minus 4ac, no? Means minus 2m whole square, 4m square, minus 4a is 1 and c is m square minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Then 4m square minus 4m square plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. So these two get cancelled, 4 greater than 0 or equal to 0. There is no meaning, no? So means there is no value is given this. Then the next one, a into f of minus 2 is greater than 0. This case once you check. a is 1 only, and f of minus 2 means there instead of x you substitute minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4, minus into minus plus 4m plus m square minus 1 is greater than 0. Then you write in order m square plus 4m plus 3 is greater than 0. Then what you get here? M plus 1 into m plus 3 is greater than 0. Means what you get? What you get? Minus infinity comma minus 3 union minus 1 comma infinity. So okay. Then next one. Next continuation ma a f of minus 2 no. Then you take a f of 4, that one also greater than c no. Once you see the next before that one, a coefficient of x square is 1 no. So 1 f of 4 means instead of x you substitute 4. What you get? 4 4 16 minus 4 2 is 8 m plus m square minus 1 is greater than 0. You write in order m square minus 8m plus 15 is greater than 0. Means here m minus 5 into m minus 3. Okay, minus 8 minus into minus plus 15 is greater than 0. Then what you get here? Minus infinity comma 3 union 5 comma infinity. Then one more case is there. What is that? Means what is that? Lies between minus b by minus now that continuation ma. So this is the first a into f of minus 2 greater than 0, and this is the second case condition. Next one more, minus 2 less than minus b by 2a less than 4 no. So this condition also you should take. Minus 2 less than minus b means you know a x square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b. So minus b means minus into minus plus 4m by 2 into 2m only no, 2m into 2a, a is 1 only, is less than 4. Then here these two get cancelled, minus 2 less than m less than 4. Okay, there you get another relation. So then from these three you take one result. How many real numbers are there here? Minus 3, then minus 2, and after minus 1, then 4, 5. Total these are the real numbers totally. Minus infinity comma minus 3. Here minus infinity to infinity no. Minus infinity comma minus 3 means this side. Minus 1 comma infinity, minus 1 to infinity means this side. Okay, total intersection part first you correct here. Then here minus infinity comma 3. Okay, 3 also you should write no in between here. Minus infinity comma 3. Minus infinity comma 3 means this side. Then 5 to infinity. 5 to infinity means this side. So check once the intersection of, okay, minus 2 to 4. Minus 2 to 4 means this one. Check the intersection of all these intervals. Check the intersection of all these intervals. This position only, no? This position means the solution set. Solution set is minus 1 comma 3. This is the answer. Minus 1 comma 3 is the solution set for this question. Okay, children, this link is uploaded in the descriptive part 1. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.